Good evening, doctors. Welcome again. Today we are going to discuss about our 10,000, 5,000, sorry, 5,000 or we can say 3,000 MCQs with solution, with explanation. I'm going to explain here. Let's discuss our first part is it now for 2020 NEET PGA doctors. This is the part 1. Metoclopramide mainly due to action of antiemetic. Metoclopramide work as D2 antagonist. Metoclopramide is act as D2 blocker as I written here. CTZ its chemoreceptor and GIT prokinetic. Increase GI motility and CTZ chemoreceptor decreases the emesis. Okay, 5-HT4 agonist also we can say GIT prokinetic causes as release of acetylcholine in GIT. M3 increase the motility. Atropine block the M3 receptors. So I hope understand you. Metoclopramide is D2 antagonist. Okay. Now, which of the following is traction epiphysis? Traction epiphysis is T for traction, T for trochanter of femur. That is trochanter of femur. So let's discuss why this is epiphysis. Explanation I'm going to explain. Total four types of epiphysis. First one is pressure epiphysis. Pressure epiphysis are weight bearing area. For example, head of femur, head of humerus, bone decrease pressure during movement or locomotion. So pressure epiphysis you understand. Now traction or pulling. Tubercle of humerus, trochanter of femur and mastoid process of temporal bone. Tubercle of humerus greater and lesser and trochanter of femur greater and lesser are example of traction pull epiphysis. Now, atavastic epiphysis also include the fused bones or we can say coracoid process of scapula. Now, aberrant epiphysis is head of first metacarpal is known as aberrant epiphysis. So, hope it's clear. Now we are going to discuss about miliary TB, multitude of a small 10 granulomas about 2 to 4 mm in size, scattered throughout the long parenchyma. Now, discuss. Primary tuberculosis, what is it? Previously unexposed host. The most common site of primary tuberculosis is lungs, and we can say site is lower part of upper lobe and upper part of lower lobe. Hope it's understandable for you. Now, three foci like gone focus, gray white area of inflammation is known as consolidation. Gone complex is a gone focus plus regional lymph node involvement. Simon's focus is a occult hematogenous dissemination apex of lung. Okay. Now, secondary TB, it's previously sensitized host. Most common site is lungs, upper part, apical and posterior segment. It is also known as Pohl's lesion. Pohl's lesion. It's represented now. Okay. Asthma's focus is infraclavicular lesions. Now, extrapulmonary tuberculosis. Most common site is lymph nodes. Cervical lymph nodes are most commonly involved. Okay. Now, genital tuberculosis in male there is epididymis, most common site. In female that is fallopian tube or we can say ampulla. Okay. Now skeletal TB, it includes spine more than hips than knees. In spine TB is also known as Pott's disease. Pott's disease. Okay. Now, drug used for smoking cessation, that is varenicline. Varenicline. This is alpha 4 beta 2 nicotine receptor partial agonist is known as varenicline. Buspirone is anti-anxiety drug. Acamprosate and baclofen are anti-craving agent for alcohol. So hope it's clear for you till here? Now, premature ejaculation is a disorder of which phase of sexual response of cycle, that is orgasmic phase. Let's discuss. Now, excitement. Excitement stage for erectile dysfunction, but orgasmic for shortest phase of sexual response cycle. Premature ejaculation we find here in orgasmic phase. Now, calm. Its confusion assessment method is used for screening test as. C for confusion. And what is delirium? Delirium is the acute confusional state. C for confusion, confusion. So it is for delirium. Now, calm. Calm is acute onset, fluctuating course, or in intention, discouraged thinking, disturbance of consciousness. If two are positive and one is positive, then it includes a criteria of delirium. Okay. Now, morbid fear of darkness. It is known as nyctophobia. Nyctophobia means night. Night wala dar. Andhere se dar. Okay. Claustrophobia in option, that is a fear of closed space. One actor previously in India, Sahil Khan, he is suffering from this. Sahil Khan, I don't know Sahil Khan. He is suffering from claustrophobia. Xenophobia, it's fear of strangers. And mesophobia is fear of dirt. So hope till here it's clear. Now, not true about somnambulism. Somnambulism is a sleepwalk. So it's true. They are asking not true. Low level of motor skills, yes. Consciousness intact. Consciousness is not intact here. So let's discuss what is somnambulism. Somnambulism is sleepwalk, or we can say non-rapid eye movement. Sleep arousal disorder, yes, it makes a person wake up during sleep. Patient is not conscious here. Consciousness is not intact. Okay, now lithium used with success with a treatment of the following except. Treatment except is nephrotic syndrome. Let's discuss why nephrotic syndrome we are not going to use. Lithium use. Lithium use in acute mania, slow onset of action, or it is used in some other drugs in acute mania. We can use antipsychotic, benzodiazepine, and valproate. Lithium is also used in prophylaxis of bipolar disorder, and this is a drug of choice also. It causes leukocytosis. It's a side effect of lithium. So cancer, chemotherapy, leukopenia, it is a treatment. Lithium. Now, can be used for migraine and cluster headaches. In my patient, I am using lithium for cluster headache. In unipolar depression, in cycloid psychosis, in nephrogenic diabetes, used in, it causes nephrogenic diabetes insipidus, but it is used in SIADH, syndrome of inappropriate antidiuretic hormones. So now, patient ingest unknown substance, present with myoclonic jerk, seizures, tachycardia, hypotension. ECG heart rate 120, it's tachycardia, pH 7.25, it's metabolic acidosis, PCO2 30, bicarb is 15, and poisonous agent. So the poisonous agent is TCA cycle, tricyclic. Let's discuss. Seizures, myoclonic, tachycardia, ECG abnormality, metabolic acidosis. These all are seen in the poisoning of TCA, tricyclic antidepressant. Why? Because tricyclic antidepressant has a property of anticholinergic, which produces seizures and tachycardia. It also has property of anti-alpha blocker. It produces hypotension and metabolic acidosis, so it already produces here. Hemodialysis is not effective. Atropine is not effective. Class 2 and C is not effective. Digoxin is avoided here. So in such case, In myoclonic seizure, we have to treat with diazepam, lorazepam. Tachycardia, we have to go for propranolol or lignocaine. Metabolic acidosis, we need to go for soda bicarb. So tricyclic antidepressant is a answer of this poisoning. Now, potassium openers, the drug is nicorandil. Potassium openers are endogenous and exogenous. Endogenous is VIP, calcitonin, relaxin, prostacyclin, acetylcholine. Exogenous is nicorandil, minoxidil, and diazoxide. So hope till here it's clear. Now, patient seen right to left side by the help of atlantoaxial joint, or we can say this atlantoaxial is no movement. When you say no by your neck, this is no, but atlanto-occipital is yes movement with your head. Okay, now muscle derived from first pharyngeal arc are all except we can say muscle is mastication, tensor belly palate, tensor tympani, mylohyoid. So answer is anterior belly of digastric. Now artery involved in Wallenberg syndrome, that is lateral medullary syndrome. It is due to the blockage of vertebral artery or posterior inferior cerebral artery. Now Frei's syndrome, it's an auriculotemporal nerve which is a branch of trigeminal nerve. Water soluble contrast is iodine is a water soluble contrast. Let's discuss theory here. Radio contrast agents, positive and negative. Negative is water and air. Positive is barium and iodinated components like water soluble, oily, and powder. These are the preparation. Now, gasless abdomen is seen in acute pancreatitis. The investigation of choice is CECT, computed contrast tomography, contrast CECT. Sign of gasless abdomen in acute pancreatitis. Why? Because there is repeated vomiting which causes acute gasless abdomen. Now, boot shape heart in tetralogy of Fallot is due to right ventricular hypertrophy we see here. Patient pulmonary stenosis and then VSD. VSD is membranous, not musculocutaneous, and overriding of aorta we see here, and due to overriding of aorta also, and we see right ventricular hypertrophy which is responsible for boot shape of heart. Now, urethrocoel. Urethrocoel is a adder head or cobra head appearance. We see appearance. Now, which cardiac chamber enlargement seen in barium swallow in a case of mitral stenosis, that is left atrial enlargement? Knuckle translucency scan is done at 11 to 14 weeks. Now, spondylolisthesis is beheaded or Scottish dog appearance. So it is spondylolisthesis. Now, patient in ER emergency room, severe abdominal pain and an erect radiograph seen pneumoperitoneum. Definitive treatment of given condition is mainly by laparotomy. Now, Pott's Puffy tumor is due to frontal sinusitis developing frontal osteomyelitis and abscess. That's why. Asymmetrical hypertrophy is seen in hypertrophy of cardiomyopathy, septal hypertrophy. Now, moth-eaten calyces in renal tuberculosis. Investigation of choice is CECT. In kidney, earliest we see moth-eaten calyces on IVP, intravenous pyelography, and putty on putty kidney we can see. Now, ureter beaded tortoise corkscrew or kink Cystoscopy we see golf hall ureter. Even in our patient we see in cystoscopy golf hall ureter, and that patient is ill from last 2 years, and finally we detect that he is tuberculosis. Bladder we see timbal bladder. Okay. Necrotizing enterocolitis, pneumotasis, intestinal, intramural. Okay. Rigor mortis first seen in eyelids. Implant for glaucoma is bare wet implant. Toxicology specimen are preserved in supersaturated solution of common salt, rectified spirit and methanol, but not in formalin. Not preserved in formalin. Now, so hope till here it's very much clear for you. Vitamin A stores in it is stores in liver, in ITO cell or hepatic stellate. Autosomal recessive disorder, that is albinism. Most common cardiomyopathy associated with alcohol, that is dilated cardiomyopathy. In firearm injury, there is burning, blackening, tattooing around the wound along the cherry red color of the surrounding tissue. Cruciate the shape, the injury is close short entry. Close short entry. So hope it's very much clear for you. Take care. Cistracurium preferred over atracurium because cistracurium does not release histamine as compared to atracurium, and cistracurium is potent also. Bidextrose grasp we see 4 to 5 months, unidextrose 6 months, pincer grasp 9 months of baby. In MI patient, IV anesthesia that is safe, that is ethomidate. PPE not include. PPE is personal protective equipment kit. It includes the face shield, gloves, boots, but no lab coat. No lab coat. Now, infusion of mannitol is used for. Infusion of mannitol is mainly used in glaucoma also, or to reduce intracranial pressure. Tolvaptan are used in SIADH and in hyponatremia. Foot drop is by common peroneal nerve. Common peroneal nerve. Apgar score 3 indicates a severe depression, but Apgar score 7 to 10 indicates normal, and 4 to 6 indicates mild to moderate depression. Functional residual capacity is seen after normal expiration. The residual volume which is left, that is known as functional residual capacity. Respiratory rate in neonates increase when it is above 50. Now, on respiration, the ion most commonly affected, that is potassium ion. So guys, I hope it's very much clear for you till here. Now, what is omphaloceles? That is birth defect of infant intestine or other abdominal organ outside the body. Cushing ulcer, where we find in head trauma or head injury. Curling ulcer we seen in burn. Now, band bridge is due to increase in central venous pressure. Oral clotting factor 10A drug is rivaroxaban. Osborne wave seen where in case of hypothermia. Now, triage coding. Yellow external disaster. In yellow, we preferred injured patient, severe patient first priority. And there is a code in triage color, like pink code for child abduction, or we can say child missing, red for fire, and blue for cardiac arrest, violet for violence, and black for terrorist attack or bomb blast or any earthquake in such. So these are the triage codes. Now, bundle of Kent. defined by the combination of atrioventricular pre-excitation, Wolff-Parkinson-White syndrome, abnormal extra or accessory conduction pathway between atria and ventricles. Okay. Culture media for Leptospira is Fletcher's media, is known as Fletcher's media. Okay. Now, mother to son transplant of kidney is an example of allograft. Chemotherapy induced vomiting treatment is by granisetron, ondansetron, planisetron. Most potent is planisetron. These are the 5-HT3 antagonists. Granisetron is most old grani. Okay. Now the partial mole karyotype is 69XXY, or complete mole karyotype is, you know very well. Now, testosterone is secreted by Leydig cells. Intestinal cells adjacent to the seminiferous tubules produce testosterone in presence of luteinizing hormone. So guys, I already finished with this part, and this is our first part, and I am going to put at least 5000 MCQs with explanation, and I'm going to explain the options for you, and these are very high yield. There is lot of probability that you are going to receive in exams such MCQs in future exam in NEET PG 2020. So guys, please prepare well, and if you like this video, put like on it. If you have any comments, any queries, you can ask me, and if you still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it and make a special notebook for you to make collect these all notes which I am going to provide you. So guys, have a good day. Goodbye. Thank you once again. Good day.